ako. Yan, yan ako. Akin yan.
2 points. Principal ba? Number 2, di ba?
Alan.
Grabe!
Alan.
Sablay niya yun, Dundig.
Dundi.
10 seconds, shot lang. 27. Twenty-seven, 2 points.
Sistema.
Assist.
Takbo na, takbo! Madi-default sila! Takbo ka na!
Rebound.
On the box.
May shot kasi yun. Pero pag natalo ulit sila,
Rebound 32. Principal ba? 0. Zero, 2 points. Assist 32. Rebound 21. Zero, 2 points. Steve, 32.
Ay, sablay pa.
Steve, 17. Rebound 27.
Joseph yun, di ba?
Steve, 21. Ball number 2.
Mahal siya na.
Sino? Si Ralan. First pa.
Yun yung nag-overtime pa.
Alan.
Wow, 0.
First foul. Sub. Sub daw.
Nga mo sasaban eh, pasok ko sa loob. Nga mo sasaban
Sabi niya sub eh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sabi niya sub eh. Sub.
Yan, uy, busok. Bola, bola down sir. Bola down sir. Sir,
Wala sir.
sir.
Wala dito sir.
Pasok nyo.
Baka nandyan lang yun sir. Yun.
10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Steal. 2 points.
Kompleto po sila. Ako hindi na. Style niya.
Offensive rebound.
Rebound. Style niya yun.
Offensive rebound.
Hindi kanina doon.
10 second shot clock. 0 2 points. Thirteen 2 points.
Yeah, may tumasa.
Sila yan.
Five second shot clock.
Uy, Sertong. Bakon.
Still 21. Rebound number 2. Late violation. Substitution.
Yan yung team sir.
Kailangan yan. Palumar. Wala Palumar. Rebound. Basket. Wala.
Rebound 27.
Rebound.
Still 32. Traveling violation. Rebound 21. Rebound number 2.
Rebound. Wala.
Defensive rebound 27.
Alan.
7 of 7.
Offensive rebound.
Charge!
27 2 points.
7, 2 points. Offensive rebound. Sa line yard. Alas. Yan, yan. Tama.
Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. 3 seconds violation. Still 21. Zero 2 points.
Basic.
Rebound 21. Foul 27.
7 foul. First foul.
First foul 27. Rebound 27. 2 points. Assist number 2.
Assist.
Ten second shot clock. Rebound wing 7.
Miss.
2 points.
All the way. Miss na pasa.
10 second shot clock. 2 points.
Miss na pala yun.
10 second shot clock. Thanks to rebound wing 7. Rebound wing 1. 5 seconds.
Malupit talaga. Ano natin? Si Sir Tom ah. Dahil si Sir Tom, no? O ano? O sa gupit lang.
Rebound number 8.
Nice pass.
13 points.
Nice
Assist
pass.
number 8. Steal number 8. Steal number 13. Game violation. Inbound violation.
Patay. Ah!
3, number 13. Backcourt violation. Backcourt.
Turnover.
Team Katiba, 22. Defense.
Malago man. Dalawa na.
Grade 7. Defense.
Asa.
Steal number 8. Wing 70 points.
Assist. 38.
Who's the rebound 32? Black. 98.
Foul. Ano yan? Foul? Lock?
Change the rebound 32. Rebound number 2.
Lock yun oh.
Cabinet violation. Here's the rebound number 2.
Full.
Rebound number 8.
Rebound.
Foul number 2.
Number 2. Nelson. Walang first foul. Wala. Sertong. Bumili. Supply.
Pushing ball number 27.
Pushing foul number 27. Second foul.
Second foul number 27. Second foul. Second foul. Steal number 2. Eight points.
Ramos, dalawa. Assist si Charles. Assist si Charles.
Assist si Charles.
Charles.
Rebound 27. Thirty-two points.
Sir, pambak sir. Pambakan niya. Boom!
Three.
Pumasa.
Pareho na lang siya.
Si
Rebound 27.
tayo.
10 seconds shot clock.
Inulit.
Rebound number 2.
Lamang ako. Bang.
3.
Umawi.
Rebound number 2.
Tres.
Time out na.
Time out, blue.
Ako lang.
May ilalagay ako, sir.
Sir.
Di anin ako.
Okay.
Kasi kanya. Assist rebound.
Nabol ka na kasi mo.
Defensive rebound, 32, 2 points.
Thank you, sir. Nice game, nice game. Tres. Sayang.
Out of bounds.
Dapis lang. Lumakas-lakas konti yun. Nating ba't na? Ano?
Defensive rebound, 32.
Sir, Tom?
Ball basket. Foul number 13.
Sir Tom. First foul, Sir Tom. Dikit. Tres ulit.
Rebound, 32.
Time out. Ready for time out.
Rebound, 27.
7. Time out.
Time out, White.
17 pa lang.
Isa pa lang. Akin yun. Shot. Yes.
Friday, meron 4:30. Next Friday.
Next. Sige, sir. Kulang daw kayo, sir, eh. Alanganin din kasi yung oras nila, eh. Sir. Alanganin yung oras. 4:30, 5:30. Wala yan, alanganin mo. 5:30.
Dami na pala nila yun.
Nice. First
Foul
foul.
number 12.
12. Natin ito papapalit.
Pagkingan, bukas ko na kunin namin.
Late 2 points.
Assist, Kelvin.
No problem.
It's just a surprise.
Sabi niya.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. 2 points.
Binat ko.
30 seconds.
Magaling katawan.
Ano mo tayo yung wala sa list.
Game 7, 2 points.
Nandyan lang yung ano.
Kasha.
Table eh.
10 seconds.
Oo pa lang mo.
5 seconds.
Uy, pasok!
And second quarter.